For the practice in terms of the specific heat, all we're really doing is writing out an actual reaction and seeing how many kilojoules this particular reaction creates. And based off of what the change would be, we can figure out what the change in energy would be as well. So first thing we got to do is write out a balanced reaction between aluminum and copper 2 chloride. And if we have this reaction and we know that it's producing 203 kilojoules of energy, we can also write it out here. So this would be our for every statement. For every 2 moles Al mixed with 3 moles CuCl2, we get 2 moles AlCl3 mixed with 3 moles Cu mixed with 203 kilojoules of energy. And that's the reaction that we have. But the question is asking, if you start with 6 moles worth of aluminum, how much energy is given off? So instead of 2, we're actually going to 6. So we're multiplying by a factor of 3. Likewise, we would multiply by a factor of 3, and we should get 609 kilojoules. For question 2, we have a reaction written out, Mg plus 2HCl yielding hydrogen gas and MgCl2 and 5 kilojoules. We have the for every statement written out as well. And in this case, we're worried about if we start with 1.2 grams worth of magnesium. So we can write underneath what 1 mole of magnesium is in terms of grams, which would be 24 grams. And we're actually starting with 1.2, which means that we're dividing by 20. And we're trying to see how much energy we created. So likewise, we would divide the 5 by 20, and we should get 0.25 kilojoules. And for number 3, we have the same thing. We have hydrogen and oxygen gas producing water, and it's asking for 0.2 grams worth of hydrogen gas. From the reaction, 2 moles of hydrogen gas is 4 grams, so we're dividing by a factor of 20. If we do the same thing for the energy, we should get 9.3 kilojoules.